To check router latency, you need to understand what latency is and how it affects your internet connection. Latency refers to the time it takes for data to travel from your device to the server and back. High latency can cause delays, lag, and slow down your online activities. First, you need to access your router's settings. This can be done by typing the router's IP address in a web browser. The most common IP addresses are 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Once you access the settings, log in with your admin username and password. Next, look for the Diagnostics or Tools section, where you can find the ping test or latency test option. The ping test sends a signal to a server and measures the time it takes for the signal to return. This will give you an idea of your current latency. Alternatively, you can use online tools or software to check your router latency. Websites like Speedtest or PingTest can provide you with detailed information about your internet connection, including latency. You can also use command prompt or terminal on your computer to run a ping test. To run a ping test on a computer, open the command prompt or terminal and type ping followed by the IP address of the server you want to test. For example, ping 8.8.8.8 will test the latency to Google's DNS server. The results will show you the average latency in milliseconds. When checking your router latency, it's essential to consider the acceptable latency range. For online gaming, a latency of 50 milliseconds or lower is recommended. For streaming, a latency of 100 milliseconds or lower is acceptable. If your latency is higher than expected, you may need to contact your internet service provider to resolve the issue. In conclusion, checking router latency is a straightforward process that can help you identify and resolve issues with your internet connection. By following these steps and using online tools or software, you can determine your current latency and take necessary steps to improve your online experience.